So we are here in deepest, darkest Wales. We had a 4-hour drive last night, quite a long way over. We're not far off the coast. And we're here to take on my first proper extreme day on the pheasants. So we're back again with Cambrian Birds, and we are here at Dyfi Falls today. So these are going to be my first real day on some extreme pheasants. As always, I've got the trusty Caesar. I have mucked about with it this week. I've balanced it properly with the shot cam on. It weighs about 9 pounds now. It is an absolute tank. And I did pattern test it last night with the 34-gram 4 BMPs that we're going to be using today, obviously in the full green core. I decided, after mucking about with my teagues, that we would go with the 3/4 rather than half and half. It just seemed to throw a much tighter, much smoother pattern. So hopefully, I mean, like I said, I've been really nervous about this, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. So it's time to head out to the first drive, but before we do, we're going to have a quick chat with Jamie and see what today entails. So we're here with Jamie.
Yes.
We're about to head out to the first drive, so we're going to start with...
Unbelievable.
Okay, tell us a little bit what we're going to expect off this one.
So Unbelievable will be one of our signature drives. You know, there's no wind today, it's pretty still, so we're going to expect some pretty extreme pheasants, I would say, off there. Yeah. So lots of bangs and a few misses and a few killed,
I think there'll be a lot of missing. I mean, this is my second trip out with Cambrian Birds.
Yeah.
So Dyfi is one of your more extreme days, isn't it?
Yes, it will be, yeah. So Pennell and Dovey really will be our two sort of extreme shoots, so to speak, yeah.
And what sort of averages are we talking here for a decent team of guns?
Decent team, we sort of 7 to 1 there, like, you know, 7, 8 to 1.
So I'm going to be about 12.
Well, see how we get on today anyway.
Well,
but, yeah.
Jamie, I'm really looking forward to it.
Yeah,
Head out for the first one.
And we're going to have a good day.
Mate.
Spot on, thank you, very welcome. Good one. And again. Oh, Jesus Christ. Go back. Yeah, I've never, that's high stuff I've shot. Rock, go back, go back. Yeah, that's something else, isn't it? Welcome to Wales, mate.
Yeah. I mean, there was one really big one, and I did the whole confident thing. I was like, right. Boff, boff, nothing. So, drive one done. I mean, what a start. Unbelievable. Is incredible. The birds that came off there, I mean, they weren't in the big numbers, but they were spectacular. I mean, obviously we've only got 2.5, 3 weeks left of the season, so you'd expect them to be fit. My God, did they fly. That was the most humbling experience I've ever gone through. I mean, this is the first time shooting at stuff this extreme, and yeah, spectacular. I mean, my heart is just thumping, and I cannot wait to get on with the rest of the day. Push that.
And again.
That's a hell of a shot, that was. There we go. Got him.
Go on then. Done dead.
Thank you. Some big tall ones over there. Yeah, that was just, that phenomenal.
Smile on the face.
Phenomenal, yeah.
Yeah, good.
Mike may as well have a whole Gatling gun, isn't it?
Help yourselves to any drinks?
I've got one, yeah.
For 15 years ago, I really... Oh, you had it.
With that.
Bella, I could see the damn thing.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, don't moan me.
Ah, yeah, come on.
Oh. Beach on. So third drive done after a beautiful 11s was put on by the team here at Cambrian, and I mean, what a fantastic drive. They just, I mean, that was well and truly out of my skill set. They were incredibly high birds, but we managed to bring a few down, and obviously trusty Caesar, those Teagues, B&Ps, awesome combination today. We are heading now to the waterfall, and this is the one My heart is pounding, and I haven't got any words for it, but I'm ready for this. So, last drive, guys. Let's go.
It's a tall bird, mate. Damn the keeper up there. Is it? See the top of the back of the orange flag? Shot.
But there we go. Worth the punt.
Good for the catfish.
Yeah.
Here it comes. Right.
Look at this.
In front.
Oh, shot. Oh, look at these coming off the top now. Holy shit.
Yeah.
That is something incredible.
It
That
is
is.
a special
Yeah.
one. You don't see many of that.
Thank you, mate.
You're welcome.
You've been a hero today. Thank you. I've enjoyed your company, mate. It's been, yeah. Woo. So, one of the guns today, not only have you been here shooting, you shot Pennell yesterday, but you are also the importer of B&P in Denmark, aren't you?
That's right.
So, company is called
CNH Gun Import from
Gun
Denmark.
Info. Okay, and you also bring in Resini.
Yeah, the Resini and the long phone.
Yeah.
And the Herbert Sharing from Austria we have.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we have the Pescari and Pelagi cartridges, as you have.
Yeah, which
in
is
the
awesome.
UK.
Because obviously it worked quite well. Obviously we met last night, didn't we, at the hotel, which was quite lucky. And obviously you've shot some B&Ps today that I've given you.
Yeah, and I could see in this drive here, the waterfall,
Yeah.
that they work very well.
I don't know about that.
No, I love the shot.
Obviously you were at Pennell yesterday.
We was.
And then you've come here today. And I mean, for me, obviously this is my first time shooting the real extreme stuff. But I'd go as far as saying that, well, for me, it's the best day shooting I've ever been on. But I mean,
Well, you can't choose one of the other one, but Pennell, Dyfi, well, it's one of the best
I mean,
whales.
the infamous waterfall drive to finish. I mean, not only is it stunning, but I mean, the
just
birds that came off that
Birds
were...
just coming up from the top and then just dropping and falling and speeding. It's, well, it's one of the best.
Yeah. I mean, end of January, well, we're mid-January, aren't we? I mean, they were fit, they were fierce, and they were fast, weren't they?
Fair birds. Very lovely day. And all in all, the whole day has just been a stunning day.
The hospitality, the shooting, everything has been run down to a T.
Well, that's what Cambrian Birds can do, isn't it?
Exactly. Well, it's been a pleasure to
Nice
meet
to
you, mate.
meet you.
Thank you very much,
Also,
and a fantastic day.
Touch
shot
again
with you.
next time.
Yeah,
All
thank
right,
you.
thank you.
So, I'm going to go as far as saying that this is the best day shooting I have ever been on. It's hard to get my words out, and we've stood here and talked about this, and I'm not really sure what to say, because I mean, the birds today have been phenomenal. I mean, I've never shot at anything like that at all in my life, and obviously without these bad boys here, the 34 gram 4 green cores, it wouldn't have been capable. They have been a phenomenal cartridge. They have not let me down at all, and we have brought down some spectacular birds. And again, obviously, huge thank you to Ivan. Those 3/4 in the titaniums, awesome, absolutely awesome. I can't big these guys up enough. If you have any questions about anything to do with choking or steel, give them a ring, because I mean, they're so helpful, and they've been kind enough to send me these out, and they are fantastic. But back to the day, I mean, Cambrian Birds, everywhere I've been with them, have done a phenomenal job of hosting the day. The hospitality is always amazing. The organisation, the day runs so smoothly. And obviously here in Wales, I mean, what do you expect? You've seen some of the scenery today. It is just phenomenal. So we're going to go in, enjoy some dinner with the rest of the guns, which we're going to show you. And then it's time for a 4-hour drive home. So good birds, good cartridges, good night.
Champagne mussels.
Very much.
Ladies first. Thank you. Start in the centre because it's cooler in the centre.